Let's engrave some text. We are in RouteCAD, and the first thing that we will do is to open Desk Engrave. We will go and select the font. In this case, we would like to use the font Arial Regular. We then enter the text that we want. And we generate the text. Now we need to save the text as DXF. We just give it a name. We can close Desk Engrave at this point. We go back to RouteCAD and we import the file as DXF. But we got to make sure that the units are set to Imperial. So we go to File, Open, Import DXF, and we import the file that we have just created. Now, all the text is there as we made it. We can move it around. We can scale it up or down. We're going to give it a percentage of scaling. Or we can scale it up if we want also. Okay, now let's route some of this letter. We only will do one letter, but then it will be easier to do the other letter. Let's do a sample letter. Let's do the letter I. We go to Machine, Route Semi-Automatic, and we select Segment. Then we make sure that we are looking at the route arrow. And we want to go from up to down in a counterclockwise way. So we will select the beginning of the segment. It will route. And then we go to the next segment. Now in this case, we're going to undo this. And we will select Window because we want to select all this element much faster. We select this. And it actually selecting all this element in the window we have just created. Here it is. And when we are done with doing all the letters, we go and we export to G-code.